Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about drawing braids in the 4th grade. To start off, I want to have the children have an activity where they actually do the braiding themselves. So I will provide them with some material, whether you use these leather pieces or some yarn. Roping also is a nice option. You can, choose the string you might use for a clothesline, which is a little bit less tangly than a yarn. But you're going to have the children have 3 strands. I usually cut pieces that are about 22 to 24 inches long, and they're going to tie a knot at the top. Here I've attached it to my desk with an additional thong, but you could have the children work in pairs, one child holding the knot while the other child does the braiding. And then they switch. When one child is completed theirs, then they can help their partner. So with a 3-fold braiding, you're going to have 3 strands of different colors. And the objective is working with alternate sides. You're going to bring the strand on the outside to the strand in between the 2 other strands. So starting with the brown, we'll bring the brown in between the black and white. On the left, with the brown is now in the middle. The white starts on the right and go to the middle. And then we start with the left and go to the middle. And the right over to the middle. And then the left to the middle. And then you just follow that pattern, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Down at the bottom it will get tangly, so take a minute to untangle so you can continue. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And when you come to the end, then you can just let the braid rest on the table to really examine it and see what's happening, so that when we draw it, we have an understanding of the over-unders that are happening. So here you can see that the white strand goes over the brown strand and then under the black strand, then over the brown strand, then under the black strand, then over the brown strand and under the black strand. So as we've done in our over-under weaving patterns, we would do similar with the braiding as well. I'm going to choose 3 colors that I will use for my braiding pattern. And we'll get started. So the first thing I'll do is I'll just have a starting point for each of the colors. Okay, so if I'm looking at my strand here, I'm going to see that if I start in this position right here, I have orange is white, black, which is in the middle right now, is going to be my purple, and brown, which is on this side here, is going to be my blue. Okay, so the first thing is that the purple is going to go underneath the blue, right? And the orange is going to come over the blue. So we'll have the purple go under the blue, and then the blue will come down. I have a bump here. Okay, so the purple goes under the blue, blue comes over the purple. Then the orange comes over the blue, And when we draw it, we're gonna stop right when we go over it, and we're not gonna go any further than there. And then the purple, which has come under the blue, is gonna come around and it's gonna go over the orange. And once it comes over the orange, it's gonna stop. And the blue, which is coming under here, gonna come under the orange and it's gonna go over the purple. And it will stop. And the orange will come under the purple and go over the blue. And then the purple will come under the blue and over the orange. Next comes the blue. Blue comes under the orange and goes over the purple. Orange comes under the purple, over the blue, under the blue, over the orange, under the orange, over the purple. Orange next, orange under the purple, over the blue. Blue, orange. Just fill in that little blank spot. Here we go over that at the end. There's a blue again under the orange, over the purple. And then the orange will come, and let's just have it end then. So then the blue will come and end, and then the purple will end. There, so now we can confirm everything up, see where this doesn't match here, so then we'll just fill in that space. Here too, bring the blue a little bit further in, the purple a little further in, there. So you can either leave it like this or you can move on and add the embroidery, which is nice.